Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Baleine Waterproof Mattress Protector, which is this mattress protector right here. I recently purchased a new queen size mattress for my bed frame, and in order to make sure that it was clean and stayed clean over time, I did want to add a mattress protector to the outside of it. And so I actually reached out to Baleine to review this product for this video. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the packaging, show you what it looks like up close, and then I'll throw it on the mattress and give you a general sense of what I think of it. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so this is the Baleine Waterproof Mattress Protector. Currently, you can get this for about $25 for the queen size mattress protector on Amazon. But the price does vary to be a little bit cheaper for their twin size and more expensive for their king size. So I think it ranges from about $20 to $35 depending on the size of the mattress. But my mattress is a queen size, so it's going to be 60 by 80 for the dimensions. The main highlights of this product is that it's waterproof, breathable, noiseless, durable, and it's hypoallergenic. They do have a 30-day guarantee, so if you run into any issues, you can always return it from a quality aspect of it. But what we'll do is we'll just take this out of the packaging and show you what it looks like up close. Then I'll take off my sheets and everything and throw this on the actual mattress. But as far as first impressions, it's a generally nice looking product as far as the construction and build of this. Here's kind of what it looks like. So basically it's got a mesh elastic liner that runs along the bottom. Probably the dimensions here, probably about 12 inches or so from top to bottom as far as the stretchiness aspect of it. So it should fit most standard size mattresses. Mine I believe is 9 or 10 inches thick, so we'll have to see how it works. And then the mattress in general has like a general like cloth design on the top here that should limit dirt and grime that gets through to your actual mattress and should protect it. And they emphasize that this is waterproof. It does have some sense of noise to it, so if you hear, it does have a sense of noise, so we'll have to see when putting it on the actual mattress whether it continues to have that noise. But that is something that it does become bothersome if you move during the night, it would be a consideration to think about. But they do mention that it's noiseless. So what I'll do now is I'll just take off the sheets off my bed, throw this on the actual mattress, and we'll get a sense of how it performs. Okay, so sorry for the angle, but this is the best way to get this mattress in view for this video. But this is the recent mattress that I purchased, which is the Milliard Firm Memory Foam Mattress. I did a video on this, but currently you can get this on Amazon for about $300. And I got this mattress because it's a firm mattress and it's much less soft or plush compared to others. And so far I really like this a lot. The reason why I wanted a mattress protector is really I just wanted to protect the investment aspect of this mattress and keep it clean with time. And so what we'll do now is we'll just throw this mattress protector on and kind of get a sense of the overall fit and kind of feel with this. But it should fit a standard queen size mattress, which is this size. So bear with me as I do this. Okay, so as you can tell, it actually fits really well for this mattress. This is a 10-inch thick mattress, and it fits and reaches all along the side. I will say that laying on it, there is a sense of texture and there is a noise when you run your hand across it, so there is some noise there that may bother you if you sleep on this and when you're moving. It makes a noise every time. I'll have to see whether that continues when I actually put the sheets on and see whether that runs into any issues there. The other consideration is if you wanted to, you could actually put this mattress protector underneath the built-in liner for the mattress. That might be a way to eliminate any motion in it and protect the underlying mattress without having the noise aspect of it. So I might try that out as well if I run into issues. Now the only other thing I want to do for this video was I did want to test out the waterproof nature of this, so I'll bring the camera closer and we'll pour some water on this and see whether it's truly waterproof as it claims. Okay, so I have some water here. What I'm going to do is just pour some of this directly onto the mattress protector and see the sense of how well it works for waterproofness. I'll say that if you look just here, it initially did bead up onto the actual mattress, but now it seems to be just absorbing into the mattress protector rather than truly being waterproof. So that's something to keep in mind. What we'll do is we'll just pull this up and see whether it's soaked all the way through to the underlying mattress. And to be honest, this is completely dry here. So this area is dry. However, it did kind of just soak into the mattress protector. Not entirely through though. So if you look, maybe you can't see it on camera, but it actually soaked only into the top layer, this cloth layer, but there is a waterproof protective layer underneath it. So I'll say that it did keep the bottom dry here, and it did not soak through all the way. So it's kind of a mixed kind of thought process. So you could say that it's not waterproof from the sense that it did absorb the water. However, it didn't soak through to the underlying mattress, which ultimately does serve the purpose of protecting the mattress as a whole. So it does really function as a mattress protector, which is exactly what they claim. I'll say that it isn't entirely noiseless as it says on the packaging, but it does serve the purpose of protecting the mattress, which is exactly what you want. However, it kind of doesn't beat up as expected of being completely waterproof. It does soak through. So just keep that in mind. At $25, this is a great way to protect your investment, like protecting a $350 mattress or more expensive. So throwing this on your mattress is a great way to protect it, keep it cleaner, and make it last longer over time.